Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Somebody sent me this file. Well, they actually sent me this. And he smart filled it and he's having problems. So I'm going to use find and replace. So I need to I'm not going to get rid of this. I am going to right click and copy it. And then I can delete it. And then later on, I can put it back on the board if I want it. So we have two different colors. And I'm going to go to edit, find and replace. And I'm going to go from selection, find all, and it found all the blue. So I'm going to group it together, Control G. And I'm going to nudge it over. And this is where his problem is, but I'm going to do both colors because he's having different problems with different colors. And I'm going to Control G, and then I'm going to move it over. So if you look real close, well, you can't really see the lines, but there's still could be lines in there. So let's go to Object Group and ungroup it and see all the nodes. And it looks a lot better than I thought it was. But if we take away the color and add lines, that's what we're getting. So two ways. Let's try it two different ways. Let's make a duplicate of that. Let's take this and weld it together. And that's what he gets. So we can try two different things. We're going to back up here. And we are going to left click, no fill, right click outline, and then weld it without colors. And it worked pretty well. It didn't get them all. And we're actually probably missing a few little bitty parts in there. But it's the easiest way for me to do it is to take a rectangle, use the Smart Fill tool. We're going to use a different color and fill that in and then move that over. And then we'll get that blue back and fill that in. Now it is all one piece and all one color. So it's the same thing on the larger item, but it has inside and outside parts. If we weld this, well, we have to ungroup it because I grouped it together. Now, if we try to weld this, we get the same problem. So we're going to do the exact same thing on this. Let's get rid of this. Take the Smart Fill tool. We'll use that blue. Nudge that over. I'm going to have to make a rectangle to keep up the other stuff in and fill that in. Whoop, and then go down. There's our hole. We'll take the Smart Fill tool and use that blue. And because we've nudged the whole time, we can nudge it right back. And I think we're good to go. Looks pretty good. Take a rectangle. Don't have to do this. Make it black. Object order backup 8. I think it just pops it out. That's a pretty cool design. Anyway, hope that helped him a little bit or you in the future. And thank you for watching.